So how come Puppy has 2 and everybody else has none? Hey, should we throw some balls? Did you figure it out? Nell only does orange. Hey, Boop Boop, bring it back. Bring it back and we'll throw it again. Will that be? Okay, ready? Or B has her, or Nell has her ball. Alright, we need another one. Come on, Boop. Boop, Boop. See, Nell won't bring a blue ball back. Leave my garbage. Come on, B, over this way. B, come on this way. B, come on, this way. Leave the garbage. Come on. Balls are over here. Hey, what's he say? You need a ball? Should we find a blue ball? Come on. Come on, pup. No, won't bring a blue ball back. Okay, now, come here. Neither will she give it to you. B, bring it here. Bring it here. Let go. So sunny out today, I actually can't see anything on the camera screen. Yes, now. You ran over your pups, dumbass. Hey, you ran over Poopy. Now, bring me a ball. B, bring me a ball. B, bring me a blue ball. Go get a blue ball. BJ, bring me another ball. Bring me a blue ball, BB. Hey. You come. 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 Poopy, come on. Hey, come on. You can come. Come on. Come here. Come here. Poop, poop. Hey. Poopy, come on. Hey, hey. Come on. Come here. Oh, looks like we'll have to get the leash out again. Had enough now? Never, eh? One more. Come here. I'm over here. Give. 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 It's underneath you. Give. That doesn't work very well, does it? There. B's got it. Where's the other orange ball, B? Okay, drop it down a hole somewhere. And give. CJ doesn't even bother to try when Nell's got the one orange ball.